this is the area where we need to discuss. And one of the most important thing when we are surrounded by this pandemic, and there were this news and so much of like we are getting all the news. One thing is before what we should do, one thing this situation has given us understanding, deeper understanding is that how important it is to take care of the mind, how important it is to take care of the emotions, how important it is about mental health, emotional health, so that we can build a habit, whether there is a pandemic or not, whether there are challenges or not, we should develop certain habits, certain practices to inculcate and some belief system so that no matter whether it's good time or bad time, we can handle it. And one thing I have found is that during this time, how I could able to keep my positivity, and there were many people in our tribe who were keeping yourself positive. Of course, there are ups and downs. One of the things is that to develop certain processes, like meditation, practicing gratitude, being positive. And the core thing is that having this belief that yes, there are negativity around the globe. There are bad things are happening. People are dying. Things are going negative. But how can I add some positivity? This should be the question we should ask every morning. Yes, there are negative. And if the whole universe is getting negative, how can I add some positivity? How can I look for something positive? How can I wake up forward and stay positive so that even if people in my family are sick, I can serve them. I can take them to the doctors. I can do the necessary thing. If my friends are sick, I can at least talk to them, make them feel positive, ask them to focus on the positive side. That no, you can heal yourself. You can be better. So one of the core things that I have practiced and I have been sharing with everyone is that every single day we have this opportunity to choose to focus on positivity or negativity. It's like either we'll be focusing on looking at this situation as a curse or a negative situation or a challenging situation extremely, and we cannot do anything, we become helpless. Or we ask ourselves that, okay, I may not going to change the world, I may not going to invent the vaccine, I may not be the frontline worker, but how can I stay positive? Can I help 5 people? Can I do something? And just asking this question, shift the energy, and then we should talk to ourselves, right? Changing the self-talk that, okay, let's be blessed, let's focus on positivity, let me see if I can help anyone, let me see if I can talk to anyone and give them some positivity, and then do some practices, meditation, gratitude that we'll be discussing way forward in the conversation.
I mean, that is a brilliant answer. The main thing, the first step, take towards staying positive is by asking ourselves, what can I add to the current situation? Am I going to add more negativity or am I going to add positivity? So I think that is an amazing answer, AJ. Thank you very much.